Oh, nice. Nice new doorknob. Nice new door hinges and stuff. If you want to see me install a door like this, stick around. Oh, that cracks me up. Talk about saving money. I'm always, I tell you, I'm always about saving money. And of course, let's talk about these door handles for a second. When I saw these on the shelf, I was set on getting the Schlage handles. Well, these aren't Schlage, are they? This is called Defiant. And I saw this and that kind of sold me. Guaranteed lifetime. And I looked at that and I started looking at pricing. You know, these were way cheaper than the Schlage. And the handles look pretty much like the Schlage. There's slightly different things, different than that. If you want to see a Schlage paddle handle like that, you go to the store and you can see those. In fact, I got one downstairs on the garage door. But didn't that handle look nice? You know, this is the Defiant, and it's the same color as your Schlage. It's a nickel finish. I mean, they have them in different finishes. And I thought I would give it a try. It said it was lifetime, and I kind of poo-pooed anything other than Schlage, you know, and because Schlage is kind of the top of the line, and these were almost like $8 less per handle. But then I looked on the tag and it said, if you buy them in bulk, you get a little bit cheaper price. If you buy 5 or more, you get a cheaper price. So I happened on these, I got 5. This one here is a keyed locking one, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use that for the garage door or not, but I went ahead and got it. And then for the passage handles, I had 6. So because I got 5 or more, the 6th one was the same price as the 5 bulk. And you know, it didn't even ring up at the register. So you got to watch that. You got to make sure that the prices ring up. Don't just make the assumption. I told the lady, I had to sit there and she had to call the guy up in the hardware department. I had to walk him back there. He had to take a picture of it, and we had to come back and override everything. But heck, it saved me about $1.50 more per handle by buying in the bulk. And so, you know, $7.50, $7.58, $14, $15. Well, I saved about $15, and I was still wanting to buy the Defiant. So hey, you know, look around. Sometimes you can do that too. Now, when I got all the door hinges, I didn't even look, but I don't think they had a price for buying them in bulk, and I wish they did, dabbiting at it, because I needed 30 of these. But still, these hinges were pretty cheap as it was. They were $2 and some odd cents each, and I thought, hey, whatever, I'll get them. I had to get them anyways, and so overall, because I saved the $1.50 and because they were about $8, a little over $8 savings, they were basically $10 cheaper per handle than the Schlage. And you know, sometimes you just got to look around and see how you can save some money. So what, $10 per handle, and I got $110 plus the tax, you know, $115 I saved probably on the handles over the Schlage ones. You see what I'm saying? So there's always ways to save money, and those handles, like I say, those handles look really nice. Here, this was the passage one. This was the passage one here, and I can tell a slight variation from the Schlage paddle handles. And you want to look at the bed and bath one with the thumb turn. I'll just show you that real quick. I put this door in the other day for Mommy because she wanted the first door I put on was the bathroom one, and now on the Schlage it has a push button. It has just a push button here where you push it in and stuff. Well, this one doesn't. You know, you just have to turn it. You just have to turn it like that, and it's locked. Okay, simple as that. And On the Schlage ones, there's just a little pinhole here where you have to take the little thing and push it in there and pop it, or you know, like that. Well, here, see, it's just got that. And so if you lock yourself out, you just turn this. And you know, you can take a penny, you can take a dime, you can take a screwdriver. Let's lock this, okay? I got it locked. You could take anything, and I'll show you. Look, it's locked. Uh-oh. Now see, this one came with the little key, and I just put it up there, and I can use the back side of it as a screwdriver. I just put it in there like that, turn this, and you unlock it. All I'm doing when I'm turning that is I'm turning the handle, this paddle. Oh, I'm just turning it, you see, with that. Now, I think I can, now see, this wasn't really for that. See, it's got a little tip on it, and that's for changing the paddle handles. And I'll show you how to do that on installing that other one. Okay, I'm just gonna keep that up there. I told mommy we'll keep that up there. But watch this. I think I can get this just with my fingernail. Let's just see if I can. I just trimmed my nails too. Oh, there it is. See there? Don't tell your kids that. Or else they'll be opening up your doors all the time. But that's as simple as it is. Okay? And these handles are interchangeable. When you go to the store, when you buy them, they're set up for, I think they're set up for right-handed door swings. And so if you have a left-handed door swing, years ago you had to buy lefts and you had to buy rights, and you had to know exactly how to hand a door, which handles to get, and sometimes they were out of stock, and that was kind of tricky. And nowadays you can pop the handles off, and then you can take them and flip them around. Okay, that's something I'll show you later, but for right now, hey, we're on with getting ready to install this guest bedroom door. Stick around if you want to see that. It's easy. Anyone can do it, even you. And incidentally, why am I showing you all these different videos and stuff? If you know by now, I like to help people, viewers like you, save money. And I'm just an average Joe, so if I can do it, of course you can do it too. In fact, I always say I will never post a video on my YouTube channel that I think you can't do. So peruse my station, look at the playlist, go to my main channel page, click on playlist, scroll down through all of the different topics I have on my channel. Anything that interests you, click on something there, and yes, you'll figure out that if I can do it, of course you can too.